What is up, you guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video here, and I'm basically just going to be doing just a whole lot of welding stuff. It's all hobbyist welding. I'm not a professional welder, and I'm going to do a quick little unboxing review, even though I unboxed it like 2 months ago because I needed to use it and I really wanted to see how it performed. But this video is just going to be a quick little unboxing, like I said, and show you guys the quality on it. I think it's not too bad, especially for what you're paying for. You know, I got it with a 3-year warranty or 4-year warranty for next to 20 bucks or something. So anyway, let's go outside and check it out. I have it out on the tail bed so you guys can see it and show you guys everything that it comes with. Okay, so when you get it delivered, this is exactly how it comes. It's a little box. It says right there 11.5 pounds. 9/3, it actually has a date. Obviously you have all my sensitive information blocked out, but it's a pretty small package. It's not big. You can see my hand right there. And then right out of the box, it comes with your stinger, your connection, your leads, your ground clamp. This is roughly, I want to say it's like 10 feet. Let me see. I have other wire right there that I was going to put on, but it's right around 10 feet, maybe even 8 feet, something like that, give or take. And it looks like it's 2 gauge. This is actually 2 gauge right here. I pulled this out because I was gonna rewire it just so I can put a longer stinger, longer leads, so I can, you know, if you weld, you know why I'm doing it. But anyway, so I was gonna put some longer leads on there, some longer wires, but then I thought, hey, why not just shoot a video while I'm here? And then I pulled this sleeve back on the clamp. I realized that's one thing I noticed right there. Let's see if I can. They cut about half of the wire and they only clamped about half of that on there. So anyway, let's get into this. So here is an adapter. This is the 220 adapter. So you have your 110 because you can plug it in to the 110. It works off 110 and 220. And then let's get into the meat and potatoes of this video, which is this little machine. It is tiny, guys. It is really small. You can see my hand right there. Pretty straightforward. Only a button right there. I'll probably plug it up so you guys can see it. It only has a dial right there. Obviously, this is you can do reverse polarity on this thing depending on your application, what you're using, what kind of rods, all that stuff. So I did notice that the reading is a little bit inaccurate. So when I'm using, say for example, like my tombstone that I have over there, right? If I'm burning at, I don't know, let's say I'm doing like a 6011 at 90 amps. On this one, I'll notice I'll have to be up to like 96, 97 amps to get the same arc control, like everything. So I will say that it's not entirely accurate, but honestly that's kind of irrelevant. That doesn't really matter because every machine is different. You can have two of the exact same machines, and if you put them both at 100, they're both going to burn a little bit different. So that's not that big a deal. Every machine is different. It doesn't matter to me as long as it burns right and I can adjust it to whatever I need to adjust it. I got no problems with it. So super light. I mean, this thing, you can pretty much stuff it in a backpack. All right, so I went to go grab my backpack. This is a small little, it's like a 30-liter 511 Rush 2.0 style backpack. I've had it for a long time. So, but I've never actually tried this before, but let's see if it fits. Look at that, guys. Look at that. This backpack is not that big, pretty small. And then you open it up. And then boom, you got your little welder in here. You can actually probably stuff the leads in there too, and the adapter if you need that. But anyway, so that was just so you guys can get an idea of how, oh, whoops, all my paint markers and all that stuff fell out. I have my little pouch open over here. Let me put that back in here. Anyway, so let's get that out of the way. So yeah, it's pretty compact. It's pretty small. It works great. Again, for $100 guys, you like, and especially if you're starting out, if you're new to welding, man, this thing is great. You don't need to buy a fancy, you know, $600-700 or $1,000 machine just to get started, man. Like, this will get you by, guys. This is gonna be just fine. There's absolutely no problems with it. I have read some reviews that, you know, some QC or some guys that opened it up or whatever found some things that weren't perfect. But dude, for $30 you can get insurance for 4 years. Come on, like, you're really gonna, like, you can't tell me that that's not a deal, because to me, I made my money like 10 times over already just using this little machine. So paid for itself. The one thing I will say, the Stinger, I watched some videos on YouTube some time ago, and the Stinger, they were saying that it wasn't that high quality, and when they showed the Stinger, the end of it, it did look like it was of lesser quality. Now it looks like they listened and they made some adjustments, and now it's all copper in there. This is a little kind of rinky-dink. It's pretty flimsy, to be honest. I already have the copper lug right there that I'll be, if I can just pull the sleeve back, I'll be putting on right there and using all of the wire, because I don't understand why they would cheap out on that when they could just put a bigger one and actually get all the current. But even so, even with that, the way it is like that, I still actually got to burn a whole lot of rod. Like, here, let me show you guys. So I have some 6011 right here, got some 7018, and then 6013 right there, some 7024. These bad boys right here, man, these things, oh, whoops, these things like to burn hot, and they make a really nice bead. They leave a really nice bead if you know how to burn one. Absolutely love using these rods. They have like a 50% deposition rate compared to like 7018 or something like that. Really fun rod to burn. You can only burn them in 2 positions, 1G and 2G, or 1F and 2F. And yeah, so that's it for today's video, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button, but more than anything, the thumbs up, because that'll help the algorithms. It'll help push this video out for other people, and in case are wondering or have any questions in regards to this, go ahead and leave any questions or any comments that you may have in the comments down below. And again, I'll put some hyperlinks in the description so you guys can check it out. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.